Hi everyone, welcome to another class that focuses on business phrases. Follow along as we explain the various phrases, idioms, and phrasal verbs used in the English language. Then test your understanding afterwards. Roll out a product. To release a product for sale. Toshiba will roll out their new laptop soon. Across the board, including everyone or everything. Google decided to give their workers an across-the-board increase in salary. Bottom out. To reach the lowest or worst point. The housing market has begun to bottom out, so now would be a good time to invest in property. Lead time. The time available to prepare for something. The lead time to prepare for the advertising campaign was very short. Make a cold call. To call up a potential but unknown customer from a list of people. Rita was asked to make cold calls from the telephone book. Go over the books. To check and analyze the accounting records of a company. They sent in an independent auditor to go over our books. Carve out a niche for a product. To create a product or market that nobody else has. Tata Group was able to carve out a niche for their product in Asia. Go public. To become a public company and sell the company stock to the public. Facebook stock rose very quickly after the company went public. A kickback. An amount of money that is paid illegally for favorable treatment. The bank was giving kickbacks to the local politicians. Out of the loop. To not be part of a group of people that is kept up to date with information about something. I was kept out of the loop during the negotiations. Outsource something. To use outside sources for something rather than those within a company or its facilities. The manufacturing company outsourced much of its work. Put something on the table. To make something the topic of discussion. We put the proposed merger on the table for discussion. Bankroll someone. To supply someone with money or to finance someone. Philip bankrolled his son's first business venture. Close out something. To sell the whole or all of something. I asked my broker to close out my position in the silver market. In black and white. In writing. The company refused to deal with the customer's complaints until they were in black and white. Bottom line. The total. The results of a business or the central issue of a discussion. After we examined the bottom line of the company, we decided not to invest in it. My friend wants to open a restaurant. However, the bottom line for me is that we need more research before I invest any money. Gain ground. To go forward. To make progress. Our company is gaining ground in its attempts to be the best in the industry. Buyer's market or a seller's market. Used to describe which side has the advantage in a market, depending on supply and demand. High demand equals a seller's market, High supply equals a buyer's market. Crude oil was very cheap. It was a buyer's market. It was a seller's market for houses, as the houses were increasing in value. Come in high or come in low. To ask for a price that is too high, or to offer a low amount of money for a product or service. Paul came in high during the negotiations and could not sell his product. General Motors came in low in an offer for our car company. Face value of something. The official value or worth of something. We were able to buy the estate below face value. Use the words in red to complete the sentences. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, please visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.